explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 13th of grammar, and the name of the chapter is conjunctions. So, what are these conjunctions? First of all, let us know about these. So, conjunctions are basically the words जिनका यूज हम करते हैं to join the words, the group of words or the sentences, right? तो जब हम इन सभी चीज़ों को ज्वाइन करने के लिए कुछ वर्ड्स का यूज़ करते हैं तो उन्हें कंजंक्शंस कहा जाता है. जब ये कंजंक्शंस हमें हेल्प करते हैं इन सभी चीज़ों को ज्वाइन करने के लिए तो हम इन्हें ज्वाइनिंग वर्ड्स के नाम से भी जानते हैं, राइट? So let us begin with the chapter now and see what else they are telling us. Conjunctions are words used to join or connect two words or sentences together. तो conjunctions कुछ ऐसे words हैं जिन्हें हम use करते हैं join करने के लिए या फिर दो words और sentences को आपस में connect करने के लिए. Some of them are, उनमें से कुछ हमें यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. Otherwise, because, since, while, although, still, therefore, yet, and, but, else, or, unless, and so. Right? Now, we have use of conjunctions. तो हमें यहाँ पर कुछ conjunctions के uses दिए गए हैं. Let's see कि हम कैसे उन conjunctions को use कर सकते हैं. Similarity जब वहाँ पर कुछ चीज़ों के बीच में similarity हो तो हम कैसे उन्हें connect करेंगे? And, as well as, both, since या फिर before. Contrast के लिए we can use but, still, and however. Time के लिए we can use till, until या फिर after. Cause के लिए we can use as, since या फिर because. Purpose के लिए we can use lest, so that. Result के लिए we can use that. Condition के लिए we can use if or unless. Comparison के लिए we can use then. Concession के लिए we can use although, though या फिर yet. Correct? Now, some examples with various forms of conjunctions have been given below. कुछ examples, कुछ conjunctions के अलग-अलग forms के साथ हमें यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. Go through them carefully. जल्दी से इन्हें पढ़ते हैं. I haven't seen him since yesterday. I could not come to school yesterday because I was not feeling well. She behaves as if she were a queen. You will pass if you work hard. Walk slowly lest you might fall down. The patient had died before the doctor arrived. Don't go anywhere till I return. He has not done his papers well, still he hopes to pass. My mother is cooking food and my brother is helping her. He was waiting for his friend, but he did not come. Now we have a point to remember. Let's see what it says. A conjunction is used to prevent sentences from sounding repetitive and awkward. कि एक कंजंक्शन हमें हेल्प करता है कि एक सेंटेंस हमें ऐसा ना लगे कि वो रिपीटेटिव है, यानी हम उसको बार बार यूज कर रहे हैं, या फिर वो हमें awkward situations ना फेस करने दें, right? So that was all about the conjunctions. I hope you all are clear with them and you all got the things clear in your head. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.